So today we're taking a look at the EAI Smart Cloud AI voice recorder, which features one-touch recording technology and intelligent transcription. So what makes this AI recorder so different from all the others? In A, because of its 4G cellular network with your phone, so it's always connected to your phone, which means if you have no Wi-Fi or no phone service, it's not a problem. I'll give you an example. Let's just say you're at a convention, you're at school, and it has horrible phone service or shoddy Wi-Fi. Well, you're not going to be slowed down because of those factors, because of the 4G network that it creates with your phone. And it's super light at the same time. Now, inside of the box, you'll have a USB-C cord to charge it, a USB-C to USB-A adapter, and a MagSafe ring so you can put this on your phone and record your phone calls. Now, as far as the recorder itself, you have a microphone here, you have your status lights, a power button, and also the microphone button at the same time. So let's start using it. So I'm going to turn it on. Green light comes on. Of course, the green light is our power button. The second light will be our network button. And then our third light will be its registration button, letting us know that we're all ready and set to go. All right, now I'm going to record this with our blue light. There we go, we're recording. And we'll review the recording afterwards, but let's go ahead and go through the app of our AI device. So here's our main page. You have different options for recorder. Let's go to one of my previous lessons that I did for class. And immediately you see you have the audio at the very top. Below that, you have the option for transcription and summary, and you see the transcription right here. And of course, you have the title where it goes here. You can either name that yourself or it'll name it for you automatically. It's up to you. All right, so as far as the transcription goes, you can see that there's key points here that you can highlight. And every time you pick a key point, it's going to go to the part of the actual audio. So if I press play here, it's going to follow along. And not only can you listen to the previous recording, but you can actually read the transcription as it goes along. So if I want to go further down and skip to a part, I can do that. Then if we want to, we can check out the summary. And this is what I really like about AI recorders is our summary feature. Of course, it creates a introduction, main content, key points, conclusions for the different points that it's intelligently recognizing throughout the lesson. Main content, summary again, all the way down to the very end where you have your final conclusion. Now, if I go to the top, I do have some share options where I can share the summary document. Actually, hold on, let me go back to the transcription. I can go to the share button. And I can either share the audio, I can share the transcription of the text between the paragraphs or a different SRT format. Go to summary. Again, I can share the summary that I have between markdowns and also PDF or a Word document. So I have different ways of sharing the transcription and the summary. I go to my little buttons here. I can also change the summary that I have here as well. So let me go here. Right now I have it at lecture. Let's go to learning and I can pick course or subject. Just for demonstration, we'll do a subject. And here it'll retranscribe everything. Now keep in mind, it's doing this with the power of ChatGPT 4.1 and DeepSeek. And at the same time, you do have the option to transcribe or summarize in 88 different languages. So now that it's done, we can see that my summary looks a little bit different, tailored to the subject matter. So of course we have references, spiritual family dynamics, different things that to tailor it more towards the template that I picked. All the way to historical context. Yeah, so much more rich. I feel like this one gave me a lot more richer information to pick one. And of course, learning and growth applications that I can use at the end, which is really cool. Again, you can create summaries, meeting notes, to-do lists, all this to improve your daily efficiency. So let's stop our recording. Now we're going to go and check our transcription. Remember, this is connected through 4G, so it should already be waiting for us. And there we go. There is the thing that we just did. It's waiting for me right here. And of course, I can change the title if needed. And let's check out the summary. There we go. AI device recording overview, main context, key points, and conclusion. Pretty cool, right? Now, one of the things that did impress me about this AI recorder is its ability to pick up audio from a distance. I know it's going to pick up things clearly right next to me, but I took this to church the other day, and from where I was sitting, it was tough to make out the speaker. The actual speakers were pointed inward, and I was on the outside, so it was pretty tough. And I thought to myself, man, this is going to have a tough time picking out what the speaker's saying. No, when I brought it back in, I was like, wow, it actually got that. I didn't even hear that word when I was there, but it picked it up. So this impressed me pretty much. Now, once you activate your device through the app, you will get 12 months free, a starter plan that includes 300 minutes of transcription time per month. But if you need more time, they do have different plans, like a professional plan and a regular plan. So you can try that out. Also, depending on the plan you get, there's different templates you can add to this, or even create your own template. Templates that may be a little more professional for your needs. All right, really hope this video helped you out. Take care. Bye. Well, first it features AI auto transcribe. That means no more waiting for your transcriptions. Normally you're taking audio from the recorder, then it's going to your phone, then it's going to ask you, do you want to transcribe the audio, which in itself takes some time just to get that done. No more waiting when it comes to that.